Hello Artsy Peeps, this is Ian DJ, Raven Fox 13. So today, I'll share with you my recent addition to my journals and sketchbooks. So, let's check. This is from Viviamo, the makers of Belle de Jour planners. And you can also find them in the Crazy About Paper website and web pages. It's a secured package with bubble wrap. They had a sale. I think they still have this ongoing sale on their website. You can check it out. I'll be putting the link below. They also offer customization, but I didn't opted for that. Nice. Oh, it's a magnetic clip. The universe is in me. Nice. This is a Quest Earth journal. It's a traveler's notebook. So I wanted to try a new traveler's notebook. So this is a local manufacturer. Nice. So the elastic has a nice feel to it. The leather-like cover feels good also. They have this slit here. Nice texture inside. So it's an onyx color. Oh, they also have this for the fillers. Let's check. So it has how many fillers? So this one has 2 fillers with a nice business card, and this one where you can put your ephemeras. This is a lined notebook. Thick enough for writing needs. And this is a similar cream off-white color notebook. It's actually a thick filler. Thicker than my usual traveler notebook filler. These are blank pages, 10.9 cm by 21 cm. Blank pages. So, there. I think you can fit here around with the same filler, siguro isa, 1 or 2. But as is, I think it looks good. There. I like the overall feel. Let's open this up. This looks nice. Let's check. Ooh, nice. There you go. You could probably see this soon in my posts. For now, can close it. Nice. Nice feel. I hope the paper works well with most of the media. We'll be doing swatching on this paper. Let's quickly check. First would be Copic Multiliner. This is one of the thickest pen. Copic Multiliner. Liner 1.0. Oh, it didn't bleed. Nice, huh? Now let's try this one. This is a Papermate ink gel pen. Papermate Ink Joy Gel 05. Check. Oh, it didn't bleed also. So I'll be testing a few. Let's try using a thicker marker. Faber-Castell Permanent 156. Usually this bleeds in most paper. 1564. It bled. Pero okay lang yun. Kasi gano'n naman siya talaga. Okay, let's try our pastel. Here. Pastel. Ooh, the highlighter didn't bleed. Which is good. And of course, lastly, let's try a Copic marker. Copic. Alcohol marker should bleed. Yes, it did. So most of the basic pens didn't, so that makes it a very good paper. Let's try watercolor pens. So Karin. Just a little bit. Let's also try how the paper would feel with a pencil. Oh, it has a certain tooth. Luminance. The paper has a certain tooth, which I like. Actually like paper with a certain tooth. Okay, so let's try a B pencil. B pencil. This is a Mars Lumograph black. I think this paper actually feels good to the pencil. Could probably be used for visual journaling. Now let's try another pencil that I like. This is a Blackwing. Oh, Blackwing writes smoothly on this. Beautiful. Let's check with Polychromos. Oh, the teeth of the paper is very forgiving for pencils. So we'll try to check this one out with a full spread using pencils soon. FC Polychromos. I think this is very promising. Uni. Let's try a Uni pen. Fine liner. Uni pen. Shouldn't bleed. Yes, see? Mostly this paper is good for an assortment of pens and markers. It beautifully works well with pencils and colored pencils. Of course, you should avoid Copic markers and some alcohol-based markers because it would surely bleed. The yellowish color of this is a little bit too yellow for me, but I think I can grow out of it. Let's try to check a Sharpie. Yeah. I hope, yeah. Sharpie should bleed. It usually bleeds in most surface. Not unless the Sharpie that you're using is the one that doesn't bleed. See? But if you want a Sharpie that doesn't bleed, use this one. The one with the Sharpie pen. Sharpie. This one doesn't bleed dapat. See? This one. The Sharpie pen. This is a brush pen. But it doesn't bleed through. So that's the quick vlog for today. I hope you enjoy the quick checking of this one. So we'll try to test this journal again very soon. But for now, that will be the quick unboxing and trying out of the Viviamo Quest Journal Travel Earth. This is the Onyx color. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Ciao. This is Ian DJ, Raven Fox 13. See you again soon. Bye.